Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2016 Nissan Versa Note. With fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle rocks its class with 4-cylinder efficiency and distinctive styling. The following features are included: a tachometer, a trip computer, rear wipers, and a split-folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.